Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload or change your profile picture in the Band app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Band app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, at the bottom of the screen, tap the profile icon. This will take you to your personal page. Once you are on your profile screen, tap on your name at the top. After that, tap on the link Band. Tap it to open your profile editing options. Now tap on Add a new profile. Now tap on the camera icon on your current profile picture. A menu will pop up asking if you want to take a photo or choose from album. If you want to take a new photo, select take a photo and snap one right away. If you would like to use an existing one, tap choose from album, then select picture you want from your iPhone photos library. Once you have chosen your picture, adjust it if needed and then tap save or done. Your new profile picture will now appear on your Band account. And that's it. You have just uploaded your profile picture in the Band app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.